Welcome to Sree Latha Organic Farming. Coming to the tomato pest, gram pod borer, Helicoverpa armigera. You can see, first of all, this Helicoverpa armigera gram pod borer, it acts as bollworm in cotton, it acts as pod borer in pulses, it acts as fruit borer in the tomato and other vegetables. It is also having more than 100 crops as its host. It can damage more than 100 crops. And moreover, it is also having polymorphism. It appears in different colors and different forms. That's why it is called polymorphism. It also exhibits cannibalism. That means a bigger larva can eat the small larva. Cannibalism also it expresses. In the subsequent crops, you will see the polymorphism of Helicoverpa armigera. That's why it becomes difficult sometimes the identification of this pest. But wherever it damages, it causes the round holes and it keeps half of the body inside and half of the body outside. It is also having dorsal lines, which are the identification features. Whenever it comes, I will show you how the dorsal line looks. So tobacco caterpillar, which causes damage to brinjal, the same tobacco caterpillar causes damage to the tomato also. Here it can cause damage to the fruits and plant parts also. Whitefly, you can see here how whitefly is laying eggs underside of the leaf, and the nymphs also present underside of the leaf. The eggs and nymphs are present underside of the leaf. That's why always it is advisable to spray underside of the leaf also, especially in case of botanicals and microbials. Serpentine leaf miner, it mines the leaf. This is a Liriosoma trifoli and causes damage. Tomato pinworm also causes damage. That I will take separately a session on exotic pests. Thrips tabasi, thrips. You can see here the thrips, shape of the thrips and the damage. Mostly we think thrips causes damage to the leaves, but they can also cause damage to the fruits also, like this by scraping. This is red spider mite. Mites also causes damage. They also present most of the times underside of the leaves. That's why the spraying is to be done underside of the leaf also for the mites. Leaf hoppers. These leaf hoppers, they also suck sap from the leaves and causes damage. Cutworms, they cut the plants. Whenever huge number of cutworms attack the crop, they move from one field to the other field. After when completing one field, they may move to the other field also. Cutworms also a very important pest of the tomato. They also belong to the Lepidoptera. Whenever I am saying it is a Lepidopteran pest, like Helicoverpa, Armigera, or Spodoptera litura, or the cutworms, these for these Lepidopteran pests, the best option in organic farming is Bacillus thuringiensis kourstaki. This is very effective on Lepidopteran insects. So that's why wherever Lepidopteran insects are the major problem, there it is better to go with Bacillus thuringiensis kourstaki. And one more thing is the eggs of the Lepidopteran insects will be attacked by Trichogramma. Trichogramma is an egg parasitoid which controls the eggs of these Lepidopteran insects. The best combination for Lepidopteran insects is using in the early stages the Trichogramma egg cards and followed by this Bacillus thuringiensis is the best option. Even though EPF and all work on Lepidopterans, but those are broad spectrum ones. They are useful for many other types of insects also. But Bacillus thuringiensis kourstaki and Bacillus thuringiensis, even thuringiensis also, Bacillus thuringiensis and Bacillus thuringiensis kourstaki, they are specific for these Lepidopteran pests. So this is aphid, a tomato aphid. It's a common aphid, Mysis persicae. This also sucks sap from the leaves. So millibug, this is also common millibug, Phenacoccus. As I told to you, for millibug, the best option is Cryptolemus montroseri is the best option. It is a predator, coccinellid predator, which eats the millibugs. In the next session, let us see the other crop, chili. Thank you. Signing off, Sree Latha.